KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how to make my Greek style burgers. These are really nice and easy to make and they taste fantastic. Alright, let's get on with it. First thing, I've got a little bit of cubed feta. You can use just normal feta. I'm going to put that in my little machine, give that a little pulse, and we're going to make a little crumbed feta. You can buy crumbed feta from your local supermarket if you want, but I just do it like that. Around about 400 to 500 grams worth of ground lamb or lamb mince, and about 2 tablespoons worth of dried oregano. They can go in. The rind of 1 small lemon. Right, some nice good little lemon zest like that. Put that in as well. And I'm also going to add in around about a teaspoon of garlic powder and a teaspoon of onion powder. That can go straight in. A good helping of pepper. You can use white or black. I'll leave that up to you. I use the white. Gives it a sharper type taste. They can go straight in. And as you can see, I've already got my gloves on, ready for the mixing process. Add some salt. Lamb loves salt, and I'm using pink Himalayan rock salt there. And it's time to get in and mix that up with your hands. Give it a really good mix. Take your time and make sure we get all of those flavors combined. Now I'm going to just separate this into 4, right, so we'll end up with quarters, and we're going to make quite a generous type burger patty out of this. Right, we've got our burger meat in our hands and we're going to press that together, and then you will notice that lamb does have a lot of fat in it, and that is really good flavor. And another reason why I'm wearing the gloves is that fat is going to stick to your hands or the gloves big time. Give it a bit of a smash down after we've made a good meatball, and we want a good generous thick patty on these. We want them nice and juicy. Now here I've got my hot plate. I'm using my teppanyaki grill. You can use your barbecue, which I prefer to do, but my MS is playing up a little bit worse and I'm getting a little bit more unstable on my feet. Alright, so this indoor grilling process is a little bit safer for me. So we're going to put those burgers straight down, just a little bit of oil. You're going to watch how much fat and how much oil is going to come out of these burgers. They really do start to render down nicely. I'm going to put those on for around about 3 to 4 minutes and give them a flip, and you cook your lamb the way you want them. If you want them well done, make them well done. I like mine with a little bit of pink on the inside, just a little bit of blush, and that adds a little bit extra flavor and of course a little bit more juiciness. Don't press them down too hard, just make sure they're all nice and happy, and look at all that oil coming out of those burgers. Once they're cooked to your liking, remove those and let them rest for a couple of minutes. These burgers only took me about, 6-7 minutes to cook. And I'm going to add in some garlic butter straight on top of my hot plate as well. Now, you can add a pita bread, or in this case, I'm just going to use a flour tortilla. I don't like all the extra bread that you get with the pita bread. So we're going to start browning these up, get some real good colour to them, like that. How good does that look? Oh, I haven't had a good yeros in a long time, or year-old, depending on where you are in the world. Make sure we get some nice brown on each side, just like that. And now it's time to start assembling our burgers. And I've got a little bit of a secret one in this one as well. Alright, so we're going to use just classic, simple fillings for this. I've got some shredded lettuce, and I'm just going to add a little bit of that down, just a small bed like that, and that is going to cut through all the fat of the lamb. Alright, I'm going to add in some tomatoes. You can use whatever tomato you like, you can cut it whatever way you like. These are nice little cherry tomatoes, and I've just quartered those. A little bit of thinly sliced red onion that goes down, and the red onion is great because it's a little bit sweet and it doesn't overpower the burger. Put our burger patty straight down on one side like this. Right, now we're making a total of 4 burgers. I'm just going to show you how I make 2 of them. Alright, so they go down, and some fresh tzatziki. If you want to buy your tzatziki already made, you can. Tzatziki is so easy to make, and I'll leave a link in the description below on how to make your own tzatziki. It is so simple. It's really refreshing, that nice little garlic hit, and I'm just going to sprinkle over some of our crumb feta over the top. What's a burger without cheese? So sprinkle that over the top just like that, and you're going to end up with an amazing burger. Alright, give those a little bit of a fold over, just like I've done there, and serve it up with whatever side you like. Hey, for me, if you're a subscriber and been watching the channel for a while, I'm a sucker for a crinkle cut chip. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate it. And if you like this video, hit that like button. If you don't like this video, hit that like button. Just hit that like button. It helps the algorithm. Share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. Trying to get the name of KPsKINGDOM out there. I don't think I said that right. Hit that notification bell to be notified every time a new video goes up, and leave a comment. I love reading and I love responding to them. More and all, if you want to learn how to make some of the burgers that I do, along with all the other cuisines that I cook, well, you need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. I eat my Greek style burgers, and I will catch you next time. Bye.